You've been eyeing these 1 minutes too long, but no trigger. Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I would wait till these equal lows get swept down here. I think we're gonna come for these lows today. We're in this last little 15-minute down here. Good morning. So we have delivery out of this 15-minute. But no actual like setups forming yet. How's everyone's weekend? You guys like the Taekwondo hat or what? It's kind of hard, huh? Yeah, same. Contract rollover. So you see how we have like the contract name is NQZ 2025. Well, it's gonna change pretty soon to NQH, I think. NQH 2026. So it's a different contract. When does that happen? The 20th, I think. Friday. I think Friday. So still holding out of that 15-minute. There's all these low. Excuse me. There's a ton of sell side down here. Which is like where I think we're headed. Just left equal lows. P15. So at bare minimum, if ES doesn't want to come for these equal lows, at bare minimum, I would like to see NQ sweep this. Before trying to look for a long. Why? Because it's an hourly low. And wow, there's like no gaps over here, dude. Okay, if this wants to start accelerating, this might dump. Cause there's like nothing to stop this over here. Like the 1 hour, I guess there's a little 1 hour right here actually. That we've been bouncing out of since last night. So there is this 1 hour that we keep holding price up, and we're in a 1 hour that's holding price down. So kind of just waiting to see. Man. Dude, I gotta turn this thing off for a little bit. Dude, I feel like I can't even think straight right now. So there is this 30-second like if you're really confident in longs and don't want to wait for this low. But I'm going to wait for that low at least. Come on, ibuprofen. So there's that low. That was not the most convincing sweep, but sure. Yes, looks like absolute dog shit. So 2 more minutes till the 1 hour closes, and it looks like it's possible that we might inverse this gap and this gap. So this got me thinking that our SMT down here is about to get destroyed. Actually, probably gonna add the 2026 contract right now to see what it looks like, because it's possible that we could be switching over sooner than Friday as far as volume. Ooh, damn, I almost think the new chart looks better. It has less volume imbalances. Yeah, so today is probably my last day using the NQZ chart. I'm probably gonna hop over. Yeah, I'm still gonna use this one for now, but I have the H contract added already for when the time comes. So, but you see how like the H chart or the Z chart is putting in like all these little volume imbalances, like that, this. It's not doing that on the other chart. I like that better, but I'll use this one for like one more day, I think. Yeah, and then we're gonna, you know what? Maybe we'll do a session in here this week to put new markings on the new chart, if you guys want. What do you guys think? Should we go over a sneak peek of an unreleased journaling software? Oh, what did he say? What did he say? Unreleased journaling software. What? So the 1 hour inversed, this gap and this gap. Pretty bearish looking, honestly. So we got this low, this low. It's an SMT low. We have this low. So I think 119 probably would be like the sweep I'm looking for on NQ would be like 119. Somebody else made it, but I'm not saying who. Damn it. Song stuck in my damn head. It's not even a good one. 1022 ES. Wait. Bro, where'd those equal O's go? Oh, yeah, I turned the indicator off. It's like we don't even have delivery or anything because there's no gaps over here. It's really small 3-minute. What up? So we did have a sweep on all these, right? We have delivery right here, technically, out of a gap that we've bounced out of twice. I was really wanting ES to go quite a bit lower than this, but I want ES to drop another 20-something points before we look for that. Oh, dude. Okay. Definitely looking a little cell model-y, honestly. Yeah, I just want to see how we react after we sweep these lows, honestly. I'm not interested in anything till then. So, there's this 1 minute right here. It's kind of in the middle of a 30-second, too. If you're really confident in longs, this doesn't look terrible. I probably would wait until it inverses this next one, maybe. So I'll try that on paper because I still can't see straight. Again, I want the lows still, but this momentum was pretty good, so so like if this fails, I'll be happy about that. Honestly. Like the hourly chart looks pretty obvious, right? The hourly chart does not look bullish right here. Hourly chart looks like we want excuse me. Looks like we want these lows, but we shall see. It is 10 a.m. reversal time too, so that was another factor that I put into that. Dude, I'm sorry, you guys. I probably sound so gross. I'm like, I gotta turn my mic my mic down or something. Bro, what? I need Alka-Seltzer citrus flavor. What's a flavor? I'm playing. Alka-Seltzer citrus flavor. Ugh. I don't know about that. Drink it. You drink it warm when you're sick. 30 minutes later, you're like a new man. Dude, I feel like right now I'm feeling like I'll never be the same. I do not feel good, bro. Amy's been dealing with this for days already. I don't know how she's been doing it. Runs to store when we can run again. Man, that stuff does look kind of like it would be like. I feel like it would provide some. Can you explain why the 1 minute failed? Technically, it hasn't failed yet, but if it failed, it's because I'm bearish to the lows. Like we've inversed everything down, and we have all this sell side down here. So like, that was not a very good. That's why I said in the beginning, like if you're really confident in longs, you could try this. But I was like, I want the lows. So, but when we're bearish and liquidity is down lower, we won't turn around here. And a 4 hour keeps holding. Yeah. There's this big 4 hour down here that we keep bouncing out of every time we get to it. So Trading View doesn't want me to get out. Okay. So no surprise that failed, honestly. I still want 119. I want at least, yeah, 119 sounds good to me. So sweep these, tap into this 1 hour over here. That'd be way more ideal than the play we just took, right? We didn't wait for any major sweep. We just kind of got in. Well, actually, we swept all this. So it wasn't like nothing, but yeah, so we tapped this 4 hour gap here, right? And now we're getting a bullish reaction already. Like we barely tapped it. I'll be right back. So slowly pushing through this 4 hour, I think. Let's take a look at ES. Man, I feel like we're just going to get a dump candle. Or oh, dude. I really hope we have the day off today, Amy. I hope that wasn't a thing that I just heard. I hope that was real. Yeah. Maybe I should just text and ask. I'll text a little bit later and ask. Come on, 119. Guys, I keep trying to get excited and it's not working. I keep trying to be like, woo. But exactly. Whoa. Okay, well, that's a candle. But like, dude, there's no like singular gaps. So there's this first 30-second just inverse. You could try that again. If you're confident in the longs, that's up to you. I'm waiting until 119, dude. ES finally did just sweep a low, but I kind of want the equal lows for some reason. Like these hourly equal lows on ES. But again, if you're confident in the longs, this 30 seconds good. That would be the BE. And then you'd hope to inverse this 30-second too. And that would have been a BE trade. So I don't know. Higher time frame is just still looking a little more bearish to me. So I'm waiting. Like I tried that first long and it got absolutely destroyed. So I'm gonna wait until we get the sweep that I think we're gonna get instead of whatever. But you know, if we do inverse this last 30-second here, yeah, exactly. We don't get break even over here. Oh man, not anymore. I told Amy I'm done with it. I'm like, dude, I just would probably rather take the loss at this point. Yeah, dude, like I can't do it anymore, man. I'm okay stopping with the loss, but dude, getting BE'd and then just watching it take off is like something that happens way too often. So I'm like, you know what? I'm not going BE until I'm at 1R. Like, I can't do it anymore. I'd rather just get wrecked and take the small loss that I'm planning to risk. Because, like, bro, having to, like, re-enter and shit because I'm getting frustrated because I know it's going to keep working is just, like, not good for my mental. So, we're going to just get better at accepting the loss and dealing with it. How's that sound, chat? We're gonna practice working through our discomfort as a squad. Cause bro, it was to the point where I'm not going BE like mechanically. It was like I was going BE because I'm like, I don't want this to fail. You know what I'm saying? Can't have this man mumbling about mid trades in his sleep anymore. Dude. That's actually so funny, man. All right, here we go. So, holy shit. So there's the sweep that I wanted. I'm BE, I'm trimming. Rolls over. Type 1 if you're snoring like me. So I want these equal O's still on ES. I will not long until these equal O's are swept. I'm serious. Like, dude, come on. This is juiced up. I know you guys see this. There we go. Got the juice box emoji down here by these equal O's, bro. So NQ's about to also tap into this 1 hour. Okay. Here. So I'm going to mark that out as a possible bounce spot. But again, I still want these lows on ES first. So, oh man, look at this 1 minute. No, no, no. We're not looking at this 1 minute. We want ES to sweep the damn lows. We're not looking at this 1 minute. Stop. You guys, stop pointing stuff out to me. Just let me stick to my conditions, okay? Chill. Sean's in here typing in all caps. Look at this 1 minute. Dude, man, if this 1 minute trigger after we get these, that would be so much better. Whoops. Whoa, what are you doing? What the heck was that? Bro, if we just shoot above this 1 minute. Hey. Even bigger 2 minute. Yeah. Either one. But I'm not giving up on those lows, bro. I'm convinced we get them. God. Like, we don't just put the juice box emoji on here for nothing. Dude, ever since Sean, ever since you sent that meme from The Office, I have a song stuck in my head. It sucks. Give me the loot. Give me the loot. You've never watched The Office? Oh my god. Imagine being 14, bro. I'm 12. Knew it. Jay, listen, don't say The Office is mid. Listen, Parks and Rec is probably better though. All right. Let's get these lows. Yes. Paw Patrol or nothing. What the hell is going on? Oh, Schitt's Creek. Yes. Oh. Yeah, dude. Schitt's Creek's S tier for sure. Suits? Is Suits pretty good? I feel like I know what the show looks like, but I don't think I've seen it. Bro, are we actually not gonna take these lows, dude? Like, there's no way, right? Dude, I love Lost, bro. Yes, Lost is so good. Dude. They're trading. Oh my god. I know what that is. Yeah, Lost. I tried to watch that with Amy, and she's 2 minutes in. Calling off school to watch. Yeah, it's definitely really, really slow to get into, but if you can make it past that part, it's really good. All right. I don't know. We might get this 2 minute, you guys. I don't know if I really want us to sweep those lows, but 10 more seconds for this 2 minute. That makes me feel like we're not going to get it. That momentum right there should not have stopped. 40 plus points? Nah. On a play like this, you don't have to worry about a stop loss. There's a 3-minute too. I don't think we're going to get it. I think we went. Dude, we need those lows, bro. Like, I need these lows. Here's the juice box. What are you doing? 3-minute would have got you a Lambo. Okay. Could be putting in this 1-minute OB up. $15 more seconds. Yeah, I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to move on from him. So there's still 2 more minutes for the 3-minute if you wanted to wait for full confirmation. The 1-minute. 1 minute still didn't inverse. 2-minute didn't inverse. 5-minute. Ooh, yeah, that looks good too. So multiple time frames on this one. It just depends on your confidence level, honestly, but so no 5-minute. I think if we get the 3, I'll try the 3. Dude, it's so hard for me to like this without ES taking those lows, bro. Like, I want those lows bad, dude. There's no way we don't hit those. Like, are you kidding me? Look at all this. Yeah, Jay, but also this is our first inverse after a really big dump, so those are not always the best to take. Usually it's better to get the dump and then have us generate some more buy side right here and then manipulate down again. So, you know, like if we would have gotten just a V shape through this, obviously that's different, but we didn't. So, but I would like I like what I'm seeing now a lot better though, because ES is close to sweeping the lows, right? So we generate a little more buy side. NQ will manipulate down as ES sweeps the lows that we're looking for, and that's when we can get our long. Back to the TV shows. What up? How's it going? I'm just on paper today for now because I woke up feeling like shit. But for some reason, I took this little inverse here and got wrecked. But the next thing we were looking at was after AM sesh, send me a list of anything and everything you'd possibly want done with your Discord. All right. Any suggestions, chat? What would make the Discord better? I feel like there's like too many channels for some reason. Yeah, did you take anything? Sorry. I'm really waiting for these hourly lows to get swept. ES has hourly equal lows, 4-hour equal lows down here, so I'm really waiting for those to get swept. No, I don't like PA today. Yeah. Fire. How's it going, man? From Brazil, let's go. Hey. I am not from Brazil, but my family is all Portuguese. So I guess there's that. Thanks for joining. Are you a trader? Your English is very bad. Aw. Do you trade? Man, I would love to just be able to speak like any language. That'd be so cool. Yeah, right. Yeah, English is my first language and I'm still bad at it, so don't worry about it. Come on. Let's just for real wanted London low then long, but just dumped. Yeah. I want to get those hourly lows and then a long, but could get this 5-minute with a 5-minute OB. That would be kind of lit. Because now we put in this little BPR, right? And we keep wicking down and can't close below it. What up, Franks? How's it going, man? Take any trades today? So a couple minutes till this 5-minute wants to close. See what we're working with. The 1 minute getting a little bit better structure, I think. So yeah, I'll wait for this 5-minute. It looks the cleanest, and we're gonna get an OB with it. It looks like so. I'll try this 5-minute if we get it. It's really hard for me to take this though. I can't lie because how bad I want those equal O's. But we'll try it anyway. Don't beat yourself up if you take this. I won't. And it ends up being an L. Yeah. I'm on paper anyway right now, so. So it kind of looks like we might. Well, I don't know, honestly. Look at the 15-minute. Oh, God. So there's the 5-minute. We did just tap into a big, giant 15-minute. Why is it not getting me in? I guess this would be my new BE spot, probably. Yeah, we tapped into a huge 15-minute, so be careful of that. Dude, like, to me, it would make more sense for this not to work. Like, I want the arrow. Sorry. I'm chilling. Nah, it's just the hourly lows just look so good on ES, bro. But it's all good. Graph 1 day bear, 4 hour bear, 1 hour bear, 15-minute bear. Yeah. The higher time frame's looking more bearish. So, but we swept sell side liquidity. We're delivering out of a gap from the left. We got the inverse. We have targets. So, you would think that we would maybe at least get a little bit of a retrace of this dump, right? Even if we are going to stay bearish, you'd hope that we could get up to this 0.5 maybe and then turn around. Yeah, 50%. Yeah. But yeah, like my overall bias is honestly still bullish. I don't know if I'm just tripping, but I'm not saying that this current leg looks bullish. I'm just saying that my like in general, I'm like trying to lean bullish, but if we start disrespecting this 4 hour gap and closing through everything down here, then that will change everything for me. Like man, if we could get the better play there was probably waiting for this retrace and then trying to get a short to target the hourly lows, to be honest. I think this is about to. Dude, I just keep marrying longs. I don't know why, but like I'm already a married man. Why did I marry longs too? You know? That's not right. Stop cheating on me. Oh, nah, that's super funny. Oh, now I see why it's so. Dude, I didn't realize I was in 4 minis, bro. I was like, why is this so like? I'm talking. Okay, buddy. So at this point, if anyone is in this, if we manage to pop over these highs again, that would be a safe time to go break even, I think, because we kind of put in ITH, how to pull back. So now we put in a short term high. If we pump over that high again, you would not want to see that come back. So if you want to be safe, I would go BE after we take these highs again if you can, if we get there. I'm not going to because I want to see how this plays out, but Bow, bow. Bow, bow. Snoopy, I just realized that Snoopy's bark sometimes be sounding like the Blues Clues bark. maybe take some of the high. Did you mean to go 4 minis? No, I didn't. It's because I got in with 2 and then it didn't like register, and so I pushed it again because I thought it didn't work. So now I'm in 2. Never mind, I read that completely wrong. So like you see this 3-minute short, low key. The 3-minute short looks way better. Because the 3-minute short goes along with the trend day, and we can target the equal lows on ES. Damn. So if this 3-minute down triggers, I might be reversing. Make sure there's not. Oh, there's a 5-minute too. Bro. My head is kind of pounding, dude. Come on, ibuprofen. I know I'm not the biggest fan, but I need you right now. Five-minute didn't inverse. I'm just going to keep holding this long. Yep, that's where I'm at. Sore throat. It just sucks. Sore throat. You took the 3-minute short. Yeah.
Hold your hand out.
Hold my. What is that? Oh my god, it's a Snoopy tooth. What the heck? That is weird. I just saw one of my dog's teeth. He's losing his puppy teeth. Guys, somebody needs to have me stop looking at longs, bro. What the hell's wrong with me? Like, my bias has been cooked for like a week. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm not seeing shit super clear right now. I keep thinking to long after we sweep, but it's like we didn't get the sweep. So it's like we don't get the sweep, wait for a retrace, and then try and target to get the sweep. But I don't know. This is why I said I was going to trade paper this morning, because I just know I don't feel that locked in. You know what I mean? Like, So I was like, I'm going to take it easy this morning. I do not feel very smart. I feel slow as shit. I do not feel smart. So I tried not to marry the lows. Now I wish I would have. Fresh and rejuvenated this morning just to go 0 for 2. Yeah, I'm not doing very good, bro. Two more minutes till the hourly closes. Man, I wouldn't be surprised if the hourly closes and then we like come after this wick. Dude, holding through this drawdown is crazy. What's going on? You thought those were 4 minis on my funded? Oh, hell no, bro. Nah, dude. When I started stream, I said that I woke up sick today, and so I was like, I'm not gonna log in yet, because I could just tell that I was not locked in when I woke up. I was like, damn, I don't feel good. So I'm just on paper so far today, and then we'll see how I'm feeling for PM. So if you look close, I know it doesn't seem like it on the 5 minute, right? But if you look on the 1 minute time frame, when we got the 5 minute close, it had already taken this high, right? So it's like you could probably have labeled that as invalid at that point. But the momentum was good. We had the order block with it. Technically this 5 minute bullish gap is still holding, so if we decide to start inversing these 1 minutes up, then that'll be a good sign for the long. It was supposedly a B plus setup. What was? The 5 minute. Yeah, it would have been way better if ES had swept the hourly lows, but that was the only problem. If ES had swept the hourly lows, then that would have been like A plus 1,000, cajillion, billion, ferillion, chameleon. And then my fill is way up here because I got in twice. Basically, what happened was I was marrying the equal lows, but I'm trying to get better at that. So that's why I was like, well, I'll just try it if we get it. But this 5 minute short is starting to look pretty good, actually. Because we get the 5 minute short with the OB down, right? We have delivery from the 15-minute. Delivery from this 15-minute here. Oops. So delivery from the 15-minute. We got the juice box down here, so that's relevant. Got the sweep. Right? Swept these highs. But yeah, we'll just wait and see. We'll wait and see what happens. Oh man. I love getting out for delivery notifications. Yeah, I'm going to end stream here in a minute anyway, so. Okay. I'm going to hold on to this long just to make myself feel stupid for ever taking it while I watch it go down. But this 5-minute short with the 5-minute OB down to target the equalos on ES. I could see the I could see the vision on that. But I'm going to go through the pain of watching this because I don't deserve it. I don't deserve it to work. Okay, well, this 5 minutes still holding for now. Okay, so the 5-minute held. I have a strong feeling I'm preparing this to be a loss. Wait, I have a strong feeling I'm preparing this to be a loss. Come on, man. Have some confidence. Fly up through this 1 minute right here. We're chilling. You're in a short? Oh, shit. Whoops. Oh, damn. So 3 minute. Ooh. Bro. Oh, shit. Bro was begging. I didn't know that you were in a short. I unintentionally preyed on your downfall there, dude. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. So kind of pushing up through this 1 minute. If we do inverse this, that's good. For something. No inverse on the 1 minute there. It's also a 2 minute. Man, if this 2 minute closes above, looks really good actually. Go B or scale at these. $13 seconds till this 2-minute inverses. Or 3, 2. So there's the 2-minute. Let's see what happens. Double down. I'm already in 4 minis. No way your internet let you join. Why wouldn't it, bro? So the 1-minute inverse, the 2-minute inverse, there is still a 3-minute right here. That's pretty small, but it's there and it's just waiting for that to close. 12 seconds, 10. Currently in airplane. Oh, damn. We got that mile high viewership. Yes, sir. Damn, man. I'm late. I'm late for a very important date. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late, I'm late, I'm late. Oh, it's also a 5-minute gap. So the 5-minute inverse right there. So if you're in the 2-minute, bruh. Bro, this chart is preying on my downfall. Like, what did I do? Am I actually just like that off? I feel like everything I think is going to happen is not happening. Which is not normal. %50 of the 15-minute is around 221. So we got 50% of the 2-minute, or 15-minute is. Oh wait, you mean the gap or the whole leg down? The whole leg. Yeah. So 50% of this 15-minute leg is at about 222. So potential spot to reach for delivering out of the 4-hour. Damn, man, I am just getting wrecked. Higher time frame right here. I mean, just clearly looks so bearish. And here's my dumbass trying to take longs. What are we doing, chat? I mean, I guess the lesson to be learned would be, what did I say a million times? That I wanted the ES hourly lows. So like, sometimes setting conditions for yourself is good because then it prevents you from taking the noise setups, is what I'm calling them, noise setups. This is why we don't trade real money when we're sick. Exactly, dude, because I'm just not locked. Like, I'm not locked. There are days when you just shouldn't trade, and we need to know that about ourselves. Yeah, exactly. Knowing when not to trade is just as important as knowing when to trade. So, W recognition. What is he doing? Do I need to come get him? Freaking dog, man. Dude, this has come a few points from the BE like so many times. Okay. No way we don't get a pop here, right? So there's your BE scale point. What's my daily stop? My daily stop on my accounts that don't have a lot of buffer is $250, and then my stop on my buffer accounts is like $500, maybe a little more. Damn. Well, maybe I'm not as off as I think I am. The TP would probably be like, well, if you haven't scaled it, full TP would definitely be like this high. Or at least to leave runners if you haven't scaled anything yet. see if we can get up to 50% of this 15-minute. I guess I'll scale 2. So I scaled 2 cons right there. And I'll just try and leave the rest. So let's see. 236 would be like, if I'm trading fundeds, you know, I'm probably securing my bag at 236. But this could keep running, so I'm going to just let this go. So that would be like TP. Tough trade to sit through, but it never failed technically. Good shit. Because now we got this 5-minute here. You don't want to see that slow us down. Yeah, that was crazy. So slapped up 50%. Well, I can't lie. I feel better now. I thought I was just like dumb, dude. I was not feeling very good about myself this morning so far. It's like, bro, are you all right? So, yeah. I mean, I'll probably just scale one more here and then just try and leave one for the rest. Like, just I'll go BE on the rest and just let it go. So, yeah. Maybe it goes for midnight opens. What up, Mr. Fahrenheit? Smacking the daily was the move. Yeah. It was a 5-minute long. This one. Technically, the inverse was down here, but it closed way the hell up there with an order block. So we've already scaled some, and we're BE on the rest. I'm just trading paper right now, though, so I woke up sick and didn't feel very smart. So I decided not to touch it. So we took one loss, and then we've been in this 5-minute long for like ever. The 5-minute close was so high. It was crazy. Which is why, I mean, it's why we had such a pullback, right? Because like the 5-minute close, it took these highs already to the left. It's like that's why we had this pullback, you know. If it had closed, let's say, you know, like here, right? I don't think we would have had this chopping around. It would have just flew to these highs. So I don't usually like the 5 either, but there was multiple time frames, so we were just waiting for it to close because the 5 minute is actually what closed first. We were waiting for the 1, the 2, the 3, and none of them. It kept holding, and the 5 minute closed way up here. So I was like, all right, we'll try it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off till PM for now. I'm just gonna let this do its thing. But I'll see you guys for PM.